Sermon number 80. Shortcomings of women. In the name of Allah, the Beneficent, the Merciful. O ye peoples! Women are deficient in faith, deficient in shares and deficient in intelligence. As regards the deficiency in their faith, it is their abstention from prayers and fasting during their menstrual period. As regards deficiency in their intelligence, it is because the evidence of 2 women is equal to that of 1 man. As for the deficiency of their shares, that is because of their share in inheritance being half of men. So beware of the evils of women. Be on your guard even from those of them who are, reportedly, good. Do not obey them even in good things so that they may not attract you to evils.